free paid apps. Paid apps are free. What you're gonna want to do is go to Chrome. This Chrome, right? Go to Chrome and VShare. I'll put the link in the description. See, massive paid apps for free. VShare. I'm gonna download it so you guys can see what it looks like. I'll just wait. Let's see. VShare market. Settings. Click unknown sources. Now just click next. Next. Install. And there's another one, maybe you guys have heard of it, Aptoide. That's another very good, getting free paid apps. Okay, let's open it. This is what it looks like. And then you can get free paid apps for free and everything. I don't want to download anything right now because this tablet has enough games. And then there is another one. Let's search it. She has too many games. Let's see. Aptoide. aptoide.com/. It's gonna take you to this page. If that comes up, just search m.aptoide then. m.aptoide. And then the first one, the home Aptoide. And then, see, I don't want to install Aptoide or anything right now. Yeah. But try these two things out. I'll put the link in the description. Thank you. Bye.